Okay guys, so bago kami umalis, dinedefrost muna namin yung isang freezer tsaka yung isang fridge pa namin dito kasi para baka kasi masiraan kami ng pagkain habang nasa trip, baka bumaho yung fridge. So yun muna, and then mamaya maaga kami matutulog. Yan, wala na, tatanggalin na namin lahat ng laman na yan. Tapos isang freezer na dito. Ayun guys, so yun, nakakain na yung aking mga anak. I have 3 million subscribers. Say hi. Ayaw maniwala, may 3 million subscribers na tayo.
Wow.
Mamaya samahan nyo kami guys ha. Ano ulam nyo?
Nagpasi.
Ano ulam nyo?
Fish.
Fish? You like it? Hello guys, andito na tayo. 3 o'clock, 3:40 AM na. Paalis na kami. Ready lang kami. Yung mga bagahe nasa nasa sasakyan na. Kahapon ko pa nilagay para wala na kami masyadong dala. Ayun yung mga kasama ko. Madilim kasi pinatay ko na yung ilaw. Alis na talaga kami. So ayun guys, see you later.
So, mine in the light. Mag-wood anak.
Ayan guys, paalis na kami.
Take care.
Register mo na sa Park and Fly, and then dapat naman. Okay na, nakapag na kami. At above na yung sasakyan. And we're gonna head to the airport. Alright guys, nandito na tayo. Nakapag-check-in na ng baggage. Punta na tayo sa loob. Excited ka na? Ikaw?
I'm tired.
Nakakapagod. Busy ngayon umaga. Alright guys, nakalusot na tayo sa screening. Punta na tayo sa gate. Alright guys, ayun na. Pahinga muna tayo, upo muna tayo dito sa waiting area. Mamaya pa, 5:50 pa ang flight natin. Wala tayo talagang itinerary guys pagpunta natin ng Vancouver. Walang itinerary. Ano lang, kung ano na lang maisipan namin na puntahan doon. Then meron naman, kaso kumbaga hindi siya planado per day. Yun yung ano. So kung ano na lang magawa namin, baka mag-explore muna kami sa downtown for the first day, kasi ang dating namin doon is around 7 o'clock. So masyado maaga. Ang check-in sa hotel is 4 p.m. So baka mag-explore muna kami, pero nag-request ako sa hotel kung pwedeng mag-early check-in, at least mababa namin yung ano, maibaba namin yung mga luggage. So yan guys, yan natin. So yan guys, yan na tayo. Oo nga eh, layo kasi natin. Megan, careful, baka makatama ka.
Don't throw it so.
Attention please, to the next meeting with all the passengers, please see here for seat verification. Passenger C1 Nikki Boy and Sukumani Car Sayari, please see here for your seat.
Malayo kami sa waiting area namin kasi wala nang seat. So dito muna kami.
Ready for boarding?
Daw? Ayun, baka.
Marian, Megan, nagawa nila yun?
Not yet. Dito ngayon sa plane guys.
Flight, please ensure to remove it before securing your oxygen mask over your mouth and nose. Seatbelt and no smoking signs are located throughout the aircraft. Please comply with them at all times. You must wear your seatbelt when the seatbelt sign has been turned on.
We're taxiing now on the runway. Pa-take off na tayo guys. guys, dinede-ice lang kaya tayong yung pakpak ng aeroplano. Baka kasi ma-frozen eh. Yo guys, dito na tayo. Landing na. And there guys, dito na kami. Medyo gloomy. Gloomy ang ang langit. Baggage claim muna. Baggage claim guys. Carousel 6. Yeah, seriously.
Wait.
Kunin naman natin ngayon yung rental car guys. Pero before that, upo muna tayo. Ano? Pahinga muna, pahinga. Pahinga lang. Upo muna, nakakapagod yung biyahe. Hindi ako nakatulog na maayos. Sana may problema tayo. Late yung pick up sa atin ng shuttle para dun sa rental car na ni-rent namin. So naghintay pa kami ngayon. Pero nandito lang kami sa waiting area. Finally guys, we have our shuttle here. Okay. There we go. Shit. All good? Yo guys. So guys, nandito na tayo sa rental car sa routes. So, tingnan natin.
Wait, kunin lang natin yun. Tapos magdadrive.
Okay. Pagkakuha natin ng car, mag-ano na tayo, breakfast. So, how's your trip so far? Good?
Dizzy.
Nakakagutom guys, gutom na kami. Baka ano, hanap kami ng Filipino breakfast restaurant dito.
Oh! Oh!
You're never gonna catch it. He's never gonna catch it. The truth.
Okay guys. Yes, okay na. Ang tagal ng process. Parang yung location nitong routes na to or ng routes medyo isolated pero within the city lang din. Medyo malayo pala siya sa airport. Kala ko malapit lang. Ayan. Ito guys, Costco yan. Ayan, Costco.
So, ikaw magbabalik dito. Tapos isa-shuttle mo na ulit tayo.
Oh, ito na ang airport.
I'm giving you SUV car because we don't have any small car right now.
Okay.
So right now they're gonna clean it. I just saw that it's a little bit dirty. It will hardly take 5 minutes, 5-7 minutes.
Okay,
Okay.
sure.
So you can wait here. You can wait inside that room.
Is that fine? Yeah, we'll wait inside.
You can
Yeah.
wait here. Sorry about that.
Is
Yeah,
it okay? I'm filming. I'm
You-
filming for my vlog.
Sure, you can make it. Just don't take us with the
Okay, yeah.
videos, okay?
Balik. Lilinisin daw muna SUV. Okay, balik tayo. Lilinisin yung ating sasakyan kasi in-upgrade tayo sa SUV. Free.
Keep left to continue on Bridgeport Road, then use the right lane to turn slightly right onto the ramp to Vancouver.
Is that a hotel?
Yeah.
That's cute.
Look at those bridges. They're so long and big and yellow.
Oh, come on. Why can't there be pink stuff? Pink stuff.
You got something.
Hey guys, first meal of the day, breakfast, McDonald's. Order na tayo, antay na lang natin. Mga gutom na kayo? Ikaw, Miguel, are you hungry? Ba't tinanggal mo yung sombrero mo? Okay na, ubos guys. Okay na, breakfast. Nakain pa si Bunso. Ayun. Ayun. Baka dumaretso na kami sa Granville. Tapos doon na kami mag-lunch. Tapos punta kami ng hotel mga 4 p.m. Alright guys, tapos na tayo.
There's no more.
Medyo gloomy pa.
There's no more work.
Ano sila? Makdo tayo for breakfast. Ito yung ating rental.
Oh wait, there's one.
Okay guys, ano tayo? Gastown. First destination, Gastown. After ng breakfast.
Not the gas, it's stuck. Gas cannot be a trick.
Well, if you shock it, it will.
Asa si Megan?
Right here.
Huh? I'm trying to play.
I don't care.
Cherry
Blossom.
Parang masikip.
Ayun lang.
Cherry.
No?
Some of them white
Malaki talaga yung van.
and green.
Really.
May na ulit.
There's a willow tree.
You missed it. Oh, and there was another one.
Ano yung willow tree yan?
No, these are willow trees. Yeah, they're not willow trees. Willow trees are like tall and then they like drip down to the ground. Branches.
That's really many Christmas trees.
Doon, saka ano, sa paglabas natin ng
That should be my new Christmas tree.
paglabas natin ng airport, mas magaganda yung bulaklak.
Oh, that one. I don't even finish. Yeah.
Mahal niya. Siguro yung mga townhouse na yan.
That was a
Look
big
at those
one.
houses.
Wow.
Mahal niya.
Are those
Vancouver Chinese Press.
Those are the Rocky Mountains.
Rocky Mountain?
Or the Cascades.
Can it be the Rocky Mountain?
It's either the Rocky or the Cascades.
I see Rocky.
I say Cascades.
What a cascade.
Look at those buildings over there. Look at that one. Look at that light blue one.
Yeah, I see.
It's like
Landscape.
look at that.
Can you not talk?
It's so tall.
Patawid tayo ng bridge.
City Hall pala ito ng Vancouver. City Hall, oh, ng Vancouver.
Whoa, look at that building there. It's like the CN Tower. But it's shorter.
ng kwento kay tatay.
Huwag dyan naman ako kwentahin. Let me drive.
Look at that one. I see a mountain.
Ayun yung mountain, no?
Some building. But it's tiny.
Because we're far away.
Yeah. But if you get close. It's connected.
In 200 meters, turn left onto Water Street.
Oh, that one.
Where's Water Street?
Sa dulo ba na?
Is that a tree?
Turn left onto Water Street, then your destination will be on the right.
Ay, yan yung cobblestone eh.
One way.
Yan na yun.
Dito na yun.
Oo. Yan yung grindstone.
Oh, ito na yun. Yung staining clock.
Ah, yan.
Whoa.
Ayan. Yan yun.
And there's rock in here.
Parking nga lang.
Wait.
Hello guys, nandito tayo sa ano bang building to? Hindi ko alam. Tignan natin. Kwenta, water station. Yo! Ganda ng ano, ganda ng kanyang architecture design. Guys, waterfront station. Okay,
We're inside that gray square.
nasa na tayo?
We're inside the gray square.
Saan tayo, Megan?
It's like the Transformer.
Ito nga, ang lamig dito. Saan? Alin? Picture? Ayun, picture ako kayo. Alright guys.
Ay, you wanna see it?
Hindi nyo, pag gutom kayo ha, pwede tayong kumain. Ganda dito. Oo nga. Dun muna tayo sa labas, mukhang maganda yung view dun eh. Umaya na tayo dyan. Mag-explore. Pasyal-pasyal lang tayo. Ang napakamahal ng parking dito. 2.5 hours lang, $26 na. My goodness, guys. Pag pupunta kayo dito, kailangan medyo may bala. Pag wala, naku po. Parking pa lang eh, mamumulubi ka na. So yung harbor nila, guys, makikita mo dyan. Tapos ayan yung parang subway nila, yung train. Ayan, yung port. Ayun yung Canada Place. Ayan. Ayan, yung Canada Place. Parang mall.
There's neighborhoods on top of that.
Ano, okay ba?
Napakabigat ng bag ko.
Eh, may tablet yata yan, di ba?
Oo.
Dat iniwan pala yung tablet. Ayan o. Dun yung sa kainan. Yan yung terminal na yun. Ayan o. Ayan yung terminal. Maglalakad pa tayo doon. Hanggang doon. Lampas tayo dyan sa may terminal. Lalampas tayo para makarating tayo doon sa Canada Place. Let's go. Sa Steam Clock. Let's go. Okay guys, let's go. Punta tayo sa Steam Clock. Dito sa Gastown. Time check 11 lang dito sa Vancouver. So mamaya lunch break, tingnan natin kung gaano ka-busy ang downtown. Cobblestone. Nandito na tayo sa ayun, parang flat iron na maliit na version. This one here. Ayan yung kahabaan niya. Restaurants, bila gift shop, apparel.
Oh, that's where Steven got one of his in one of these shops. Oh,
Maganda
that's
yung ngayon na yung may maple leaf.
yeah.
I want that mythic one.
Halika.
That's what
Mamaya
we're
dun
gonna
muna
do.
tayo. Mamaya pagbalik. Ay, dami mo.
Oh, see?
Ang mga souvenir shop.
Do you see the place is just like a weekend?
Sirang ko lang yun, ang ganda.
Moose tsaka bear. Ang ganda ng view dito. Ayun yung viewing deck. Picture kayo. Ayan na yung steam clock, guys. Woo! Parang puto bumbong lang, oh.
May puto-bumbong yan.
This one. Gastown's famous steam clock. Ano? Oh, sige. Sayang hindi ko nakuha.
What's happening next?
You heard the horn, you saw the ball drop, you got the whole
I'll get some.
could get the
Should we walk over to the tent?
Tingin tayo ng souvenir, guys.
Want to continue working for me? I can agree to that you keep working, but I can't afford. I don't. Mrs. Gupta told me. She said you can use the word. It's okay. She said
Ang daming mga dito kami, tumitingin sila ng souvenir.
Why? They don't have a thing.
Tatay.
Ikaw, bala ka na. Ayun daw, yung glossy.
Kasi meron siyang steep clock na naka-apply.
I don't like that one.
Mas mura to. 399.
Mura, ano? Hindi nga. Oh? Oh?
Wait, there's Lego sets. I kind of want to get that. There's a Lego
Totem pole.
set.
Ito, makikita natin to sa Stanley Park. Yung totem pole.
Mas mura to.
There's this one. It's a Lego set.
Oh, Lego.
Okay na, nakabili na kami ng souvenir, guys. We're done buying souvenir. O, saan na tayo?
Sabi ko. Ano ba?
Hindi, tingnan muna natin tong steam clock uli. Namnamin natin yung steam clock.
I want to read the thing that.
Okay, yeah, let's go. Dito na tayo sa sa harbor. Malapit tayo sa Canada Place, guys. We're here.
No.
I mean, that makes sense for Tokyo. Yeah, I saw this guy. I saw this video. Like, he had some weird
Where's the Hong Kong?
Nice.
Where's Mr. Hong Kong?
Ayan,
Lumipad na.
dito lang tayo.
Aww.
Tapos maya tawid tayo doon. Halika dito, lapit tayo. May upuan dito. So dun yung sakayan ng boat. Di ko alam kung papunta yun ng Victoria. Tapos ito yung train. Di ko alam kung train, subway or whatever. Ayan. Ayan yung mga bata. Pagod na. Kaya dito muna kami kasi may upuan.
Don't drop
Go ahead. Which one? Which one? You want one of this in the background? If you want one in the background, you can.
Ayan, guys. Ang Vancouver. Ayan yung kanilang port. Viewing deck na andon. So ayan, guys. Okay. Ayan, ang ganda ng view. Ayan, dyan. Timer.
Timer 10. Okay, game na. Punta na doon kay tatay, dali. Ay. Punta na doon kay tatay, dali. May timer to. Mababa. Dapat nakataas to. Oo nga, mababa.
So when a cherry blossom fully
Ay, sorry. Picture. Game.
Ah, sarap ng hangin, guys. Sarap ng hangin dito sa Vancouver. Ayun.
He's there on the water.
So, anak,
Mr.
Ano masasabi mo so far sa trip natin?
Amazing views. Like, look at that.
Ganda naman talaga dito. Yung area na yon parang may pagka-Alberta ang dating yun. Takad-takad tayo dito. Baka dito. May pupunta tayo na yung nakaganon. Yung statue ang nakaganon. Anong tawag doon? Anong nalimutan ko na eh. Yan, picture kayo dyan oh. Ano to? Bulalakaw yan guys. Bulalakaw. Artificial rock daw. Artificial rock.
Hahanap ng ano.
Alright guys. So yung nakikita natin ngayon, yan yung Canada Place. Ayan siya. Akala ko separate pa yung part na yun. Magkadugtong lang pala. So mas malapit tayo ngayon sa port. Kasi kanina nandun tayo sa area na yun. Nakakalimbot yun. Meron yatang food court. Tingnan natin.
Babati.
Ah, dito pala yung Flyover America. Flyover Canada.
Ayun pala ang stop.
Hindi, meron din dito. Baka sa loob. Ayun oh. Ayun, doon yata na meron.
Ayun ang maganda na ko.
Ito lang tayo for 4 days. Kailangan ay maximize na natin.
We need to breathe it. We need to breathe.
That's your price. Pagkataas natin dito, bibili na kayong tatay na food. Ano yun?
Oh, and I'm scared every single time she puts it over our hands. Especially this phone.
Squamish Nation consists of 23 villages comprised of then a French translation. Pwede siguro tayong tumawid dito. Ito ba o yun? Parang doon eh. Guys, kain muna tayo. Dito tayo sa food court. Sa waterfront food court. Umorder kami dun sa ano. Actually hindi siya Filipino restaurant, pero yung mga empleyado Filipino restaurant. So ito yung mga pagkain natin.
Nasa resibo mo?
Okay na? Okay, let's go. Obey crossing signal.
That would be a helpful place.
Masarap maglakad dito guys kasi hindi mainit, hindi din masyadong malamig. Masarap ng ano, weather. Okay guys, nakakain na kami, nakapaggala na kami dito sa waterfront center or kung ano man to, Canada Place, sa Gastown. So hindi ko pa napapuntahan is yung Robson. Tapos hindi ko alam kung pupunta kami doon sa viewing deck, parang hindi na siguro kasi maganda naman ang tanawin kahit dito sa ano lang eh, sa street level. So yun guys,
Okay yung paa niyo dyan.
saan ba tayo?
Wait, I need to.
Stanley Park or Granville?
Ayun, tingnan natin, Stanley Park or Granville. Let's go. malawak yan. Dami kong pwedeng lakaran dyan. Nandiyan yung totem pole.
Okay.
I saw something touching the ground.
Ano?
The trees. It's pretty wide. Okay, wait. There.
Ayun. Yan, part na yun. Lions Gate Bridge. Stanley Park. Ayun na pala yung Stanley Park. Eh, kaso saan tayo magpa-park? Yan na yun. Ibig sabihin park dito na. Ayun, mayroon tayong kaso. Pwede naman.
Ayan, Stanley Park.
Dito.
Hindi ko alam.
Just follow the cars.
Ayan. Ayan yung bridge na.
Ay, dito pala tayo.
Lions Gate Bridge. Woo! Alright guys, eto na tayo. Lions Gate Bridge.
Yes,
Ganda ng view, guys.
there is a bridge on that side.
Look at this.
Okay. That is the west side. Okay, so they do have tall buildings. The west, the north.
May bata nga eh. O, sila lang.
I don't know what it's Vancouver. Okay, north. Okay, north. Vancouver, and then all the way in the back. Maybe Vancouver. Seattle. Seattle's in the US, so
Wow.
we can't go there with this car. It's
Inulit ko na naman.
Drive around lang tayo. Kasi
not our
alas dos pa
actual
lang.
car.
Kano kaya yung mga bahay? Mga bagong lugar. No?
Laki eh. Oh.
Mahal yan. Milyon yan. Milyon yung mga bahay dito.
Pero tinan ko, oh. Tinan ko.
Forest siguro yan. Kapilang road na yun.
May tao.
In 500 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
How do you get in?
Saan ka?
Hindi, inaano niya lang doon sa tapat. Pero yung parking area.
Oo nga eh. Nakulit ah.
Andito na talaga tayo sa Stanley. Ito, Stanley na to. Ang hinahanapin lang natin, parking. Kung saan pwede. Dito siguro.
You have arrived.
What is this?
Dito siguro. Pay parking throughout floating roadways.
Okay, so this is parking.
So, saan ang ano natin yan?
Ah, kaya pala may tao doon. Dito sila.
Ayun, may flag.
May tao nga dyan kanina.
Ang laki ng puno. Oh.
Whoa!
Can't see it.
You have
Massive.
side.
Massive tree. Ano kayang klase yan?
Wow.
Katakot siguro dito pag gabi. Ano?
May tikbalang siguro.
Ay.
What's that?
Ano yun na sa Philippines?
Philippine mythology.
What is
Stop.
Ah, yun ang
Forest
may
fire
pin.
danger. Low. No forest fires.
Okay na.
Saan sila galing yung sasakyanan mo?
what is the thing that
Viewpoint entrance.
That's in Filipino. There's no English name.
what is it called?
May ice creaman pa oh.
What is it called?
Ayun, doon sila naglakad daw, tatay.
Ah,
Oh.
sige.
Ano yun, nanak?
What was the miss called?
in the Philippines.
Tikbalang? Hindi ko alam sa English yun eh.
Ano, Hey guys, nandito ngayon tayo sa Stanley Park. Ano to? Prospect Point Cafe. So, wala yata kami doon sa area na kung nasaan yung ano, totem pole. Mga bahay-bahay dyan. Flagpole. Tapos yung dagat. Yun guys, oh. Kita nyo, oh. Umakyat yung area ng ano, development para sa mga bahay dito sa Vancouver. Umakyat sa bundok. Ayan guys. Wow, nice view. Wow. Ang ganda. Sa likod ko yung Lionsgate Bridge. Hindi ko alam kung kita nyo. Ayan, kita nyo siguro yan. Stop running na. Picturean ko kayo dyan, Nay. Pipicturean ko kayo.
You were also saying go to the
1, 2。
人家拍完是这样吗？是你妈站在下面给你拍照？
我妈站在上面给我拍照。
那丑死！那丑死！
哎呀，我真不想跟你。哎呀！
往前走，往前走，拉那儿，对对，不要拉他前面，对，就这样。
好多虫子啊！
dare ruin my reading.
Stop. 那我已经给你打好样了，你自己看。拍不好，拍不好拿你试问。
说我妈全虫子，所以她挺不说我听，是吧？
哎，你是竖着拍的还是横着拍的？
Ba tayo dito?
是不是？气色好多。
Ay, kailangan.
So medyo gloomy dito guys sa Vancouver. Parang usually ganito ang weather dito. Pero at the same time, maaraw. Ang kagandahan, hindi siya masyadong malamig, hindi mainit, sakto lang. Ayan, malapit na tayo. As in, malapit tayo sa Lions Gate Bridge. Ano ng biyahe natin?
Sarap ng tulog yan mga yan mamaya.
At least marami na tayong nagawa.
Ikutan natin yung ano nga yun. Baka maikutan natin yung yung
totem pole?
Oo. Nasa loob naman na tayo ng Stanley Park.
Ayan yung super ferry ng Vancouver. Wala na yatang super ferry sa Pilipinas eh. Baka yan yung sa Victoria. Yung biyahe ng Victoria BC.
这阿恒的到位不能在。这什么你？Double action. Anong mga flag yan?
Sure.
Oh, balik. One way. Matanda na eh.
Kaya nga delikado na kasi
bumagsak.
May babagsak na tao eh.
Nakakatakot yung mga puno, no? Green na green. Ay, parang may mga kamay.
Wait, you're scared of the trees because they're green?
Eh, hindi yung nasa niya, oh.
Oh, the bark? Maybe it's the moisture in the moss.
Why? Why not?
Third beach tea house.
Why are you scared of?
Hindi, para lang kasi siyang parang giant, ganun.
Oh.
Yung katulad nung nasa yung pinanood natin na nalakad.
Third beach. Hindi dyan yung totem pole.
Hindi. Yung Lord of the Rings ba yun? Yung may ganun.
It's a ladybug.
Nasaan?
Right there.
Oh.
What?
I'm scared of it.
Ladybug, scared ka.
It's like
Restaurant.
Tumbay may-ari niya.
Tea house.
Daming train.
Oo nga
I don't wanna kill it. It's a ladybug.
Hindi mo maiikot ng isang araw yan sa dami.
That's right.
Ano yan anak?
That's the ladybug.
Nasaan?
Nasa likod.
Mario!
Ay! Ano yan?
Yung ladybug.
Ladybug.
Smells like marijuana. Taka dun. Akala ko pagod kayo, maglalaro kayo.
They were like...
Pagod na daw yung mga anak ko pero maglalaro.
They were like...
Ayun.
That's the one. I only know that's the one. Yeah.
What? Where?
Kitang-kita yung mga barko na ko.
No, they could put it on that.
So guys, nandito kami sa part na may mga playground. Ano yata to? Beach Station 6. Parang ganon. Malayo pa kami dun sa totem pole. So hindi namin mapuntahan ngayon kasi medyo malawak tong park. Siguro balikan na lang namin. Meron pa naman pati kami hindi napupuntahan, yung sa may Robson. Meron dun statue na parang medyo sikat siya. Pwede namin puntahan. Umihila yung ko. Balik na. Ayos ba? Tingnan natin yung tabing dagat. Hindi ba ito yung nakakita natin dun sa parang viewing deck? Ito yun. Ay, halika dito. Mama ko. Yan na, beach na. Hindi to Boracay pero pwede na. Pwede na to. Pwede ng pasyalan. Ayan.
That's what I call it. Okay. The washer. I tried to get to the closest spot.
Guys. Beach. Tapos nandun yung mga ship.
Continue on British Columbia 1A South for 800 meters.
Welcome, Vancouver. Ayan, dapat dito tayo dumiretso. Totem pole doon sa part na yun.
We're on the bus lane.
And so is everybody else. Pero napansin ko rito.
Left onto Butte Street.
Classic yung ganda. Napapalibutan ng tapos may modern building doon.
In 200 meters, turn right onto West Hastings Street.
Oh, creepy naman.
Ayun ano. Ang galing Ayaw palitan ng shingle siguro. Grabe mahal ng pagpapagawa ng shingles dito. Oo nga no, ba't hindi nila? Diba? Ayan, Vietnamese.
At the light, turn right onto West Hastings Street.
Baka dito na yung pinaantay na. Nakaintay na. Homeless shelter. Palladio. Akala ko palyado Hindi maganda yung observation pa. Ayan na yan.
No.
There's our hotel.
Doon pa naman.
This is a long drive.
Ayun.
Dahon si tatay.
Dahon yan. Ito na ang dahon. Guys, ito na ang dahon. I'm looking forward to this. Ito na pala yun.
In 300 meters, turn left onto Main Street.
Ay, may pulis na naman doon. Ayoko nang mag-video.
We in the hood, guys.
At the light, turn left onto Main Street, then turn right onto East Cordova Street.
Ba't dito tayo?